our next experiment, that is expanding and shrinking balloon. So let's begin. Here I have a bottle that has a balloon on its top. I have stretched the balloon from its top and then I have attached it with the lid of the bottle. And now I have this jar with some hot water and I have this jar with some cold water. I have put ice inside it. So now what I'll be doing is that I will be putting this bottle first inside the hot water, and we will be seeing what happens when we put this inside the hot water, and then I will be putting it inside the cold water and we will see what happens when we put it inside the cold water. So let's begin. First I'm putting it in the hot one. As you can see, it is filled with air this side, and now it is expanding, and now I will be putting it inside the cold one. As you can see, it is just the opposite of that. It is shrinking this side. So let's see it once more. Expanding, shrinking. So now we understand that when we put it in hot water, it is expanding, and when we put it inside the cold one, it is shrinking. So why this is happening? Because when we put it inside the hot water, the air molecules of the water get heated up. They heated up and then they start taking up space inside the balloon, and thus the balloon expands in this situation. And when we put it in this one, it is just the opposite of that one. It is shrinking because the cold water is just cooling down all the heat that is there in the air molecules. So in hot water it is expanding because the air molecules are heated up, and this one it is shrinking because the cold water is doing the opposite of that. It is cooling down the heat that is inside the air molecules. So now we understand that hot water expanding, cold water shrinking. So I wish you understand the difference between what happens in cold and hot water when we put the balloon. So I wish you liked it, and thank you for watching.